GMC certified pre-owned. All-wheel drive. Clean Auto Check Vehicle History Report. Heated leather seats, rear seat entertainment system, Bose premium speakers with surround sound, second row captain's chairs, third row split bench seat, power liftgate, dual skyscape sunroof, heated exterior mirrors, remote start, dual exhaust with chrome tips, traction control, rear parking assist, XM radio, OnStar and more. Just arrived. Gas Miser. 22 mpg highway. Special online pricing. GMC certified. Do you want it all? Well, with this functional Acadia you are going to get it. This tough 2008 Acadia SLT1 with this grippy all-wheel drive will handle anything Mother Nature decides to throw at you. Hold on to your seats. Safety equipment includes anti-lock brake system, curtain airbags, passenger airbag, front